Welcome to the last little video here, and this one is two or more algorithms, the final two algorithms you have to learn. These are also the two hardest algorithms you'll have to learn, but I would say it's definitely worth it. So for this, we already have the top oriented, that's OLL, orientation of the top layer, of the last layer, I should say, and now we're on PLL, which is permutation of the last layer. This is the last step, and we're going to learn two algorithms. We're going to solve the corners first, which means all the corners are going to be solved. So in this cube, you see this corner is already solved, and this corner is already solved. But this one's not, and this one's not. These two actually have to switch places for it to be solved. In this case, we have all four corners solved, as you can see. So I'll start with this one. So basically, you're going to look for a pair of headlights. And headlights look like this, or I guess this would be a better example. That's when both of the corners have matching colors. And so, in this case, these are still headlights because these corners are matching colors. If you have headlights, then we're going to learn this algorithm. And basically what that does is it moves a bunch of pieces around. As you see, well, in this case the cube's solved, but there are no more headlights. In this case you have four headlights, but so in this case you get to skip this algorithm. I'm going to show you one other case though. Okay, so right here, as you see, no matter how you turn it, there are no headlights. These two don't match, these two don't match, these two don't match, and these two don't match. So what do we do? Well, you can do that algorithm from any angle, and again it looks like this. And if you look around now there is a pair of headlights here, okay? And once you get a pair of headlights, you can once again do that algorithm. And as you see, we have headlights on every single side now. So you can only ever have one pair, 0 pairs, or 4 pairs. There will never be a case where you have 2 or 3 pairs of headlights. It just doesn't work. So that's the first part. The second part is doing the corners. And the last algorithm you'll ever have to learn is this one. Alright, so what that did is it changes these 3 corner places. So since it doesn't change this one, you want to look for a bar in your cube when you do this. So a bar means that all 3 of the pieces look the same, and in this case there isn't one. So you can do this algorithm from any angle. We'll try from this one, and so the algorithm once again looks like this. Okay. Pause the video if you need to at any time to memorize these. Alright, so as you see, now we have a bar in the back. And so you want to put that bar in the back and then do the algorithm again. And it doesn't look like it did much, but it rotated these 3 edges around. So if you do it one more time, it should solve the cube. There we go. Now as you see, the cube is solved. Hooray! If we want to do that one more time on this cube, we can do the algorithm. And if you want to see it done really fast, there we go. And I'm actually, believe it or not that fast at doing that algorithm. But just get it down first, and eventually you'll be able to do it like that. But it took me a long time to be able to do it that fast. So thanks for watching. That's how to solve the Rubik's Cube. I will be doing more tutorials on further steps and ways that you can shorten these steps. But for now, Just practice getting this down, making sure you have all this memorized, and I'll see you when that happens. So good luck and goodbye.